What happens between getting pre-approved and getting the keys? Well, first, if you haven't already done so, you're going to need to find a good buyer's agent. Ask for recommendations from friends and family members or coworkers, or do some research online. A good agent will represent your interests, unlike the seller's agent. It's important to remember the listing agent represents the seller and not you. Next is the fun part. It's time to go home shopping. Before looking at homes, you should create a list of your must-haves and then explore listings that are within your budget. Stick to your price range. It can be easy to get carried away and end up over budget. Once you've found a home that checks the boxes, it's time to work with your agent to make an offer. They may suggest an updated pre-approval letter from your lender with the new offer terms and price. Something to keep in mind, you may not land your dream home on the first try, so don't get disappointed. Trust me, you'll find another home that makes you happy. So be careful not to let your emotions get the best of you and find yourself in a bidding war that pushes you over budget. Once your offer is accepted, it's time to write an earnest money check to show the seller you're serious. Some buyers use this time to shop around for the best rates, but be careful with this strategy. If your situation is a little complex, sticking with your current lender or original lender may save you time and stress, which can offset a slightly better interest rate. Next, you or your agent will send the signed contract and any updated documents to your lender. Your lender will order an appraisal and guide you through the next steps. Meanwhile, work with your agent to arrange inspections on the home. You should not forego a general home inspection, even on new construction. But be prepared for the possibility of needing other inspections such as termite or roof inspections. If issues arise, work with your agent to negotiate repairs or ask the seller to cover some or possibly even all of the closing costs. Once your loan is fully approved and cleared to close, it's time to wire the funds or get a cashier's check for your down payment and closing costs. At the closing, you'll sign the final documents. The lender will then finalize the loan and transfer funds to the seller. Once everything is complete and your loan is funded, you're officially a homeowner. Woohoo! Congratulations! Now you can get the keys to your new home. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.